My perfect hotel tips and tricks. So first thing you want to do is choose your game mode wisely. So you have two options, whether it's multiplayer or single player. So for multiplayer, you can challenge other players for bragging rights and rewards. And this mode is perfect for competitive gamers who enjoy the thrill of besting their opponents. While for single player, you can build and manage your hotel at your own pace, and this mode is ideal for casual players who prefer a relaxed and strategic experience. And next thing you want to do is create a visually appealing and functional hotel. So first, experiment with layouts, furnitures, and decorations. Make sure your hotel stand out from the rest with a unique aesthetic that appeals to the guests. You can also add amenities like swimming pools, spas, and entertainment areas where you can keep your guests happy and entertained. You can also invest in upgrades to improve the functionality and efficiency of your hotel, so you can optimize your operations for faster service. And for next thing you want to do is have happy guests and happy profits. So provide exceptional customer service. Hire and train a competent staff, and keep an eye on guest satisfaction. And then you want to have financial management, which is the key. So track your income and expenses closely. Invest wisely in upgrades and expansions, and consider taking calculated risk for the potential high rewards. And then lastly is marketing for the essential success. So promote your hotel through various channels, offer special discounts and promotions, and stay ahead of the competition. And that's how you can basically have the best hotel in My Perfect Hotel, and those are the game tips and tricks.